Hi Abdi, this is your news. Did you ken that ilka day folk in Scotland are nae able to speak their own language? The Scots, the way I'm speaking just now, there's mony a situation that I canna speak like this. It's just nae richt. It's nae fault, nae the richt way to speak in most situations. For the ain reason, mony folk wouldn't understand you, but most folk ken Scots. But even if they ken Scots, they'll think, well, you can't do that if they're fae ken the tune. Again, they'll have some classist views that again that's just a way that pure folk speak. You kind of speak like that in this situation, and just in other situations, again, they'll just think you kind of speak like a juicer here in the tune or do that. But that's not right. Again, the way that I speak is the way that I speak. That's my own lead. I can't fully speak English. I'm nae a feel. But can fit why nae can I nae speak my own lead in my own country. It's our human right can speak very leading for for it to be discriminated against for doing it. And do you understand in urban communities, Ilkady in Scotland, you hae folk that speak braid Scots, perfect braid Scots, and folk will think they're stupid and they ken anything, and they'll discriminate against them. And I've seen it all the time. Folk get discriminated against because of the way they speak, just because folk assume that they don't ken anything because it's just because they're speaking Scots. And that's fit we hate pit till the end. It's nae right. And ken Scots folk are standing up for ourselves now. Ken if you've seen fit happen that Iona Fife on X, oh, it's just daft. Nae solidarity between Scots folk, ken. God, it's just but aye. Yeah, come along to your news for some decent Scots.